The goal of the puzzle is to make a tetrahedral pyramid. It may look easy at a first glance, but once you remove all the parts, you will find that it is much more difficult, since each piece has a cutout. Some pieces have 2 cutouts, some have only 1. There are parts with 3 and 4 cutouts, and it is really hard to figure out where each piece goes. This is the Geapple puzzle. It was designed by Zagyvai and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the Geapple puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. I'm trying to keep all the parts in the correct spots, since it is really difficult puzzle to solve. So what we have to do here is to find a ball with only 1 cutout and put it right in here. Then you find a ball with 2 cutouts on the opposite sides and put it next to it like that. The next one will be the ball with 3 cutouts. They are located like that, and you put it right in here. Then we grab a ball with 2 cutouts, 1 and 2 like that, and put it right here. Then the first ball, it looks very similar to this ball, but the cutouts are located in a little bit different way. You put it here, and then we have this ball with 3 cutouts. It has a symmetry, like the cutouts are located symmetrically. You put it right in here. There is a ball with no cutouts. It goes on top. So the next piece will be this one. Even though I know that this piece definitely goes here, it still takes some time to rotate it in a correct way. And maybe I already lost tracking on where to put it. Okay, let's see. There is a ball with just 2 cutouts. It goes right here, and you place it with the cutout facing up, since this ball with no cutouts will be right here on top. We have only 2 parts left, and we have to put them in a correct way so that all of them will have a cutout on top. So this ball with 4 cutouts goes here, and the last one will be the most difficult, I think, how to rotate it. Oh, done, like that. So this one goes here and like that, and then we put the last one on top. Ooh, and the puzzle is solved. That's good that I kept tracking of the balls. Otherwise, I would spend 30, 40, maybe 60 minutes trying to figure out the solution. If you like the Geapple puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.